Hello, how you doing? Today I want to show you my balls recipe, that is. Meatballs, spaghetti. I've got some lovely tomato sauce there, and I've got a lot of smoked paprika in these ones. They're really delicious. I am not going to waste a single opportunity to refer to my balls. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. So I'm using ground beef here. Now, if you want, you could mix that with 50-50 with ground pork. I'm just going with the beef. Now I've got 1 kg here. That is 2.2 pound. Parsley, a flat leaf parsley which I've chopped. Parmesan cheese. Here I've got smoked paprika. It's absolutely wonderful. I actually love this stuff. That's the brand that I'm using. That really is delicious stuff. Salt, pepper, oregano, garlic powder, and 1 egg. I'll leave the description of all the ingredients and the amounts in the text below. Very simply, we're going to give that a little mix. So, 1 kg of the beef, the garlic powder, and the oregano. There's like a teaspoon each of those, and a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. 1 egg, 3 teaspoons of the beautiful smoked paprika, some Parmesan cheese, grated, and roughly equal parts of the chopped parsley. As you can see, I've got a sexy glove on there. We're simply going to get in here and give this a nice squeeze and mix for a few minutes. So easy, so beautiful. And there you go, we've got a nice beautiful seasoned beef there. Simply, we're going to now shape this into the size of balls that you like. Now, sometimes I like small balls, sometimes I like medium balls, and sometimes I like really big balls. Let's do that. So today we're going for some big balls. They're quite substantial balls. You don't want them much bigger than that because they're going to be really difficult to cook. And I'm just sort of rolling them in my hand like that. Nothing like rolling your balls in your hand. Okay, so there you go, 2, 4, 6, 8 there. Like I say, these are quite big, and you don't really want them much bigger than this really, because they're going to be so difficult to cook. Small balls cook nice and easy. You can just deep fry them. You've got little tiny balls like that. You can fry them around in some oil. These are going to take a little bit longer and slower, a bit slower. We need the heat down a little bit because we want to penetrate our balls and make sure that they're cooked all the way through. So I've got 2 or 3 centimeters of oil there. I'm using a sunflower oil and I'm heating that up. We're going to now drop our balls into the hot oil. Now, you don't want this oil raging because, like I say, they're going to burn on the outside otherwise. So keep it at a kind of medium. As I said earlier, if you were making these smaller, you could put them into much hotter oil. But these balls are fairly substantial. What we're going to be doing here is flipping them around in that oil. They're probably going to take about 8 or 9 minutes. They're going to be beautiful, lovely balls. So as you can see in here, it's very gentle. I'm cooking these very gently now in the oil, and I'm moving them around, turning them, trying to get all the sides done. We're about 4 or 5 minutes away now, and then these lovely balls are going to be done. So off goes the heat. I'm confident that my balls are now cooked. They're going to come out of this oil. I'm going to set them aside. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a nice, quick, easy tomato sauce to go with our balls and some spaghetti. Delicious. So here we go. We're going to make a nice, quick and easy sauce here. I've got some olive oil in there. Now don't be shy with the olive oil. I've got maybe more than you think you'd need. We're going to drop in 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, salt and pepper, and then we're going to go back in with some more of the smoked paprika and oregano, a couple of teaspoons each. Above medium heat, I've just put this on. I'll be back in 4 minutes. There you go, 4 minutes. That's coming together beautifully. I'm now going to add 2 cans of tomatoes. These were a whole plum tomato which I've chopped. If you wanted, you could be adding some tomato paste, concentrate or puree to this. I'm keeping it nice and easy. We're going to just lower the heat a little bit to a medium, from an above medium just to a medium, and we're going to go for about 7 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. It's done, simple and beautiful. And that is beautiful, very simple. Now what I want you to do is I want you to grab your balls and drop them into that hot tomato sauce. Now what this is going to do first of all is cook it a little bit longer, just to ensure that they are cooked all the way through, and obviously to get some lovely tomato sauce smothered on your balls. A little bit of juice from our balls. Don't waste the juice from the balls. Pour that in and let that go for about 5 or 6 minutes. You can be turning them over, and then we're going to get these onto a lovely big plate of spaghetti or a pasta of your choice, but spaghetti is definitely the classic. Wonderful stuff. So as you can see, I've got a really large plate of cooked spaghetti there. I've just taken the balls out because I just want to first of all spoon the sauce onto the pasta. Nothing like a little bit of spooning. God, that looks fantastic. Really, really does. Back in a second. So the sauce is on. I just had to grab my balls, and I'm now going to place them on the spaghetti and the sauce. It really does look incredible. That one looks like it might roll off. Here we go. That looks lovely, doesn't it? One more thing. So I'm just going to finish this off with a little bit of chopped flat leaf parsley. If you wanted, maybe some fresh basil would be really nice. This does look absolutely divine. And then we're going to go with a little bit of Parmesan. That is it. Job done. Fantastic. Hope you enjoy that. I've enjoyed showing you how to cook my lovely, large, juicy balls. Lots of love. I'll see you next time when I'm possibly going to be showing you my sausage.